Thanks for tuning in. We're here today at Malt Miller HQ to talk about shipping and some enhancements that we've made. Hi, I'm Rob. I'm here today with Martin, and we're going to talk to you today about shipping.
We've made some enhancements and this video is all about that.
Underpinning everything we do here at the Malt Miller is you, our customers. And we strive to offer you the very best brewing experience to suit your customer needs.
That might be milling your malt fresh to order or packing your liquid yeast with a cold pack to keep it fresh.
This ethos also extends to how we ship your orders. We've been working on a long-term plan to bring you the most comprehensive shipping options possible.
We feel you should be able to choose according to your budget or your preference of courier. You may have noticed earlier in the year we moved from DPD to DHL shipping your orders. This was part of this long-term strategic plan to be able to bring you these new options.
As Martin says, the switch from DPD to DHL has now allowed us to be able to use all of the main couriers within the UK. Due to the complications of how courier contracts work, we had to make the move to DHL as their sole carrier for a limited amount of time.
Now, we're excited to say we're able to offer a comprehensive range of options to ship your orders. At checkout, you'll be able to browse and choose from all of the courier options there. Royal Mail, Every, DPD, DHL, free next day shipping if you break the £100 price point.
Please note that if the order goes over 15 kilos, we're unable to ship with Every as they have a 15 kilo maximum parcel limit. Whilst we're talking about Every, they actually consider Saturday to be a working day. So if you make an order, don't be surprised if it's actually delivered on a Saturday.
Adding these new options to our shipping methods means you can choose the courier you know and trust for your area. For some, you may find DPD is much more reliable in your area, or you may choose according to Every's cost-effective options. We feel this gives you the ultimate choice to shop on the terms that suit you.
The really important thing to note is that at no time are you forced into using one single courier. There will always be at least an option of two, and depending on the weight, that could be an option up to 5 different ways to receive your order. We are always striving to find ways to enhance your shopping experience here at the Malt Miller. And this is just one of the projects we've been working on.
We'd love to hear your thoughts on this and how you find the shipping methods that we've introduced. So please leave your comments just below.
Please remember that our customer service team are always on hand to help out. Just a short video from us today, but this is actually a massive topic and a huge improvement to your customer experience here at the Malt Miller. Always remember, we've got stacks of beer related content, so please hit the bell for notifications and follow our channel. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.